Hi, this is Tiffany, and this is my daughter Bailey, and she's going to be our hair model for today when we do this super easy but cute hairstyle of Minnie Mouse buns, or Mickey Mouse buns, whatever you want to do. So we already started it, and we've got one. And before we do this, let me just preface and say I am not a great hair stylist. So this is super easy, but don't judge if it's a little messy. We're just gonna do the best we can and get you a fun, cute hairstyle to wear to the parks or cruise or just out and about on a whatever day. All right, here we go. Okay, so we're gonna start, we've already done one side, so we parted right down the middle and to start with a high pony. So we're gonna do the same on this side now. And start with a high pony. I'm gonna make it right even with her ears because it is ears. It's supposed to represent some ears, so. And I know sometimes I have a hard time getting the amount of hair on either side to be the exact same. And so one of mine is gonna be a little bit thicker than the other one, but that's okay. All right, we're gonna not do this as tight as it can go because we're gonna need to put more hair in it. So leave it a little bit, not loose, but a little bit where there's room in it. All right, so we have our high pony. The next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna add a little bit of volume to it by kind of teasing right at the root of it. I'm gonna separate and add a little bit. You don't have to do this. This is not a requirement. It just adds a little bit more fullness to it. And right there. Okay, now we're going to smooth out just the edges. So we're going to lightly brush. Sometimes I feel like this is done better with a regular brush. So we're going to lightly brush. We don't want to take out that volume that we just created, but we want to smooth it so we don't have a bumpy or kind of messed up looking. Okay, so now we're going to take a little. Okay, so now we're going to pull out some of the slack, twist it, and do about 2 inches. So about 2 inches for the bun. And then we're going to take the excess over here and separate it into 2 pieces. Then gonna twirl that with my fingers to get it small, and I'm gonna stick it into the little tunnel right here. Just gonna stuff it in, and then I'm gonna bring this down. I'm gonna come around to the front. Stuff it down and put some bobby pins in it to hold that in place. Pin right there in front. Okay. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and do the other side. Same way, we're gonna twirl it with our fingers. Get it small enough to stuff in there. Okay. This is also going to make it, the ears have a little bit more volume and they'll be a little bit fuller. Now we're just gonna close that in. Try to get it as even as possible. And pin it all in there. All right, we have this one all pinned and in there, so we're gonna back up and see the whole thing. And another thing that you can do is you can add like a little bow or something over here or on that side or whichever. But that's it. That's the fun Minnie Mouse, Mickey Mouse ears that we have for today tutorial. So again, thank you, Bailey, for coming and being my hair demonstrator. Bailey, why don't you tell everybody, how old are you?
I'm 11.
And what is your favorite Disney destination?
A Disney cruise.
A Disney cruise? What do you love about a Disney cruise?
It's like the experience that you have there. Everybody's just so polite and I just really enjoy it.
Yeah, okay. And what's your favorite Disney park?
Magic Kingdom.
What do you love there? What's your favorite ride there?
I think my favorite is the Seven Dwarfs Mine Train.
Okay. All right. And what's your favorite ride in all of Disney World?
I think my favorite ride of all of Disney World is probably the Carousel of Progress.
Carousel of Progress. That's an interesting answer right there. Bailey is not my thrill seeker child, so I didn't expect anything like, you know, Expedition Everest or Rock and Roller Coaster to come from Bailey. That would have been my older child or my youngest child. All right, thanks, Bailey. Have a great day.